Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make creamy Cajun seafood macaroni and cheese. I'm going to start off by making the cheese sauce for the macaroni and cheese. I use two kinds of white cheddar cheese, but you can just use regular white cheddar cheese. Melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a medium saucepan. After the butter has melted, we're going to add in our seasonings, sprinkle in some Cajun seasoning, some garlic powder, some onion powder, and Old Bay seasoning. Now you're going to add in your softened cream cheese. I cut mine in blocks. This is easier to melt. Make sure that you're cooking this on low heat because you don't want it to burn. You want to keep stirring the cream cheese, and I kind of still was chopping mine up because it's easier for it to melt, but you want to keep stirring it the entire time because you don't want it to stick to the bottom of the pan. And remember, keep the heat on low. As the cream cheese begins to melt, it's going to start looking like creamy, and that's what you want. Now we're going to add in our milk. I use coconut milk because I like that better, but you can use the Carnation milk. After adding the milk, you want to mix this up very well. Now we're going to add in our cheese. We're going to add in a little at a time and stir so the cheese can melt properly, and then you're going to add the rest and repeat. Once you add in the remainder of your cheese, you'll start seeing that your sauce is getting creamier and thicker, like so. Now that our sauce is ready, we're going to turn this off and set it aside and begin sauteing our shrimp. I'm going to use some grapeseed oil. Cook on low heat so your shrimp won't burn. It takes about 3 minutes to cook your shrimp. Once your shrimp is pink, then they're done. And we're going to set those aside. Cook your elbow noodles about 10 minutes or follow the instructions on the box. Now we're going to mix all the ingredients in one big pot. Y'all, I just had to let y'all hear how creamy this macaroni and cheese sounded. It sounds so delicious, and it is delicious. Now I'm going to transfer it over into a ceramic dish. You can leave it in the same pot if you like. I just transfer mine over into a ceramic dish.